Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Sugar Land seeking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Entry doors Sugar Land play an equally important role in improving curb appeal and security. Energy-efficient windows Sugar Land are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Double-pane windows Sugar Land offer superior insulation, making them a popular choice for residential window replacement Sugar Land. Window installation services Sugar Land are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need window frame installation Sugar Land or window glass replacement Sugar Land, a professional window contractor Sugar Land can provide the necessary expertise. Entry doors Sugar Land complement these upgrades beautifully, enhancing both the functionality and style of your home. Window sealing Sugar Land and window caulking Sugar Land are vital for preventing drafts and ensuring optimal insulation. Vinyl windows Sugar Land are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Custom windows Sugar Land allow for personalized designs that match your home's unique style. Entry doors Sugar Land can be customized in a similar way to complement your windows. Window styles Sugar Land and window design Sugar Land can significantly impact your home's curb appeal and value. Understanding window replacement cost Sugar Land is important for budgeting your home improvement project. A comprehensive window consultation Sugar Land can provide insights into the best options for your needs. Entry doors Sugar Land also come in various price ranges to fit your budget. Window measurement Sugar Land ensures a perfect fit, while window warranty Sugar Land offers peace of mind for your investment. Window maintenance Sugar Land is key to prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular inspections and timely installations can prevent costly replacements. Entry doors Sugar Land should also be inspected regularly to maintain efficiency and security. Window upgrade Sugar Land options include advanced window hardware Sugar Land and window screens Sugar Land for added functionality and security. Window tinting Sugar Land is an excellent way to enhance privacy and reduce glare. Window safety Sugar Land is a priority for families, and modern window designs incorporate features to protect against accidents. Entry doors Sugar Land complete the look, providing enhanced protection and aesthetic consistency. Entry door installation Sugar Land complements window upgrades, providing a cohesive look and improved security for your home. For those interested in energy-efficient solutions, energy-efficient windows Sugar Land and double-pane windows Sugar Land are top recommendations. These options not only lower energy bills but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Entry doors Sugar Land with insulated cores and weatherproof seals can further enhance your home's efficiency. Window insulation Sugar Land further enhances these benefits by minimizing heat transfer. Choosing the right window contractor Sugar Land is crucial for a successful installation project. Experienced professionals can guide you through the process, from selecting the right window styles Sugar Land to ensuring proper window measurement Sugar Land. Entry doors Sugar Land can also be installed by these experts for a complete home upgrade. A reliable contractor will also offer a comprehensive window warranty Sugar Land for added assurance. Window glass replacement Sugar Land is often necessary for damaged or outdated windows. This service can improve both the appearance and performance of your windows. Entry doors Sugar Land are another impactful upgrade to boost security and curb appeal. Window frame installation Sugar Land addresses structural issues, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Window sealing Sugar Land and window caulking Sugar Land are essential for maintaining energy efficiency. These services prevent air leaks and improve insulation, contributing to lower energy costs. Entry doors Sugar Land with proper sealing deliver similar benefits, keeping your home energy efficient year-round. Window maintenance Sugar Land, including regular cleaning and inspections, helps preserve the condition of your windows. Custom windows Sugar Land offer endless possibilities for personalization. Whether you prefer traditional or modern window styles, Sugarland custom designs can enhance your home's character. Entry doors Sugarland also come in customizable designs and finishes to match your chosen window aesthetics. Window design Sugarland plays a significant role in achieving the desired aesthetic and functionality. For top-notch window installation and window installation services in Sugarland, look no further. Our expert window contractor in Sugarland specializes in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and vinyl windows. Entry doors Sugarland are also part of our comprehensive offerings to enhance your home's beauty and safety. Whether you need window glass replacement or custom windows, we provide tailored window services to meet your needs. Our window frame installation and window sealing services ensure your windows are in perfect condition, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Discover the benefits of energy-efficient windows in Sugarland with our professional window consultation services. We offer a wide range of window styles and window designs to suit any home. Entry doors Sugarland are available in multiple designs to perfectly complement your chosen window solutions. Our window measurement services guarantee a perfect fit, while our window caulking and window insulation services provide superior energy savings. Trust our window contractor in Sugarland for all your window upgrade needs, including window replacement cost assessments and window warranty options. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our residential window replacement services in Sugarland. Our window maintenance and window safety solutions ensure your windows remain in top condition. Entry doors Sugarland provide the perfect finishing touch for a cohesive look and improved home security. We also offer window hardware and window screens to complement your window styles. For added privacy and protection, consider our window tinting services in Sugarland. Our entry door installation services in Sugarland further enhance your home's security and aesthetic appeal. Our window contractor in Sugarland is dedicated to providing exceptional window service and window installation services. From window glass replacement to window frame installation, we handle it all with precision and care. Entry doors Sugarland are crafted with the same attention to detail to ensure style and durability. Our custom windows and vinyl windows in Sugarland are designed to meet your specific needs, ensuring long-lasting performance and beauty. Trust us for all your window sealing and window caulking needs, enhancing your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Choose our window contractor in Sugarland for reliable window installation and window installation services. Our energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows in Sugarland offer superior insulation and noise reduction. Entry doors Sugarland complete your home improvement with elegance and functionality. We provide comprehensive window consultation services, helping you select the perfect window styles and window designs for your home. Our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit, while our window warranty options provide peace of mind. Enhance your home's value and comfort with our window upgrade services in Sugarland.